You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Biblical clan name pronunciation. For more words and names from the Bible, stay tuned. Rechabites, it's how it's pronounced in English. The CH in Hebrew sounds like ch, but it's often generally replaced in English with a k sound. Rechabites. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.